learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time to take that Hakka training lesson here on ICRT, and we're continuing to go to the township known as Gongguan in Miaoli. But did you know that they have oil wells here? I had no idea, and Leo's going to tell us more about it. 今天呢，我们要持续坐着火车来到苗栗县。到了苗栗可以去的地方很多，要深入探讨的就是公馆乡。因为你们知道吗？这边曾经有油井哦，我根本不知道，等一下 Leo 会来解释喽。我们现在来到了苗栗公馆，好漂亮。但是这边呢，听说有历史的哦。
当然，
除了我们介绍的美食风景之外，这边还曾经出产油吗？
对呀，这边曾经挖出全世界第2口的油井哦。这里是哪里？你知道吗？
哪里？
这里是出黄坑出凤行。
出凤行 ，OK。那这里现在应该没有产油的意思了哈。
现在只有天然气了。
OK。
早期它是非常的繁荣啊，白天是挖矿，晚上还是灯火通明。另外，客家先民在这里奋斗专有的故事在民国69年的时候被拍成电影哦。
这样子的话，表示它很有特色，应该很有那种西部牛仔的感觉，应该还蛮值得去参观的哦。
对呀，你不知道这边有一个称号叫做台湾西部小太鲁阁哎。
哇，小太鲁阁那肯定很美啦。
对呀，这里有一个横跨牛斗峡谷的出黄坑吊桥。另外出黄坑古道是一定要去的。从那边就可以看到后龙溪跟整个出黄坑的全景哦，
好原野的感受哦！我应该穿着我的牛仔裤，打扮成牛仔来一起来参观，好不好？
好啊，我们现在就去看一看。
Did you know the world's second oil well was in Miaoli's Gongguan Township? Today, it's an important producer of Taiwan's natural gas. The Hakka ancestors strived to establish oil drilling there, and in 1980, the struggle was even turned into a movie. If you come for a visit, you have to check out the old historic road where you can gaze down on the scenic sulfur pit and Holong Creek. There's also a suspension bridge across the soaring cliffs of Nyodo Canyon, also known as Little Taroko Gorge.
好的，我们在游玩我们的出黄坑之余啊，我们还是要教大家一些客语啊。比如说这边曾经有石油啊，怎么说石油？Sayu, and that's oil. And then there's a beautiful suspension bridge here, 吊桥。
吊桥。
All right, and it's so beautiful. 既然讲到美了，就要教大家怎么说美啊？
讲
哦，对嘛，讲就是什么按讲那样子。
对，按讲、懂讲都可以。
都可以讲。That's beautiful. And that does it for today's Hakka training.
什么太嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.